And we're back. Today we're gonna cook tri-tip on the Joetisserie. Put some hardcore carnivore black on it, not sponsored. We're gonna use the Meter Plus probe and we'll show you step by step how to cook a great tri-tip. Oh yeah, welcome Kamado Mike.
Thank you. I was waiting for that.
Gotta wait for the intro.
Thank you, Kamado Ramy. I was waiting for the intro. We can carry on.
So we're gonna season with hardcore carnivore black, not sponsored.
Fumes. Gets fumes. You just told me that was fuming.
I'm gonna flip it over.
Yeah, that one is because.
So the next step here, I'm gonna get the tri-tip on the spit. So next we're gonna take the Meter Plus, link in the description. You wanna make sure you get it in without hitting the spit so that it doesn't interfere with the cooking. So there's a line on the meter. You want to make sure that line is covered. I'm going to wait till we get outside to tighten them because we want to make sure we're centered on the thing.
The way to know if you're centering it is if you could put like a tick mark with a Sharpie on one or either side, and it'll kind of, actually I would just put it on both sides. Actually that wouldn't make any sense.
But the motor is like this part.
That's what it is.
So it's probably best to put that mark like right there.
Okay. So you know that this is one edge and then the tick mark is the other edge and then you center it between these two.
Exactly.
You betcha.
Great tip.
I didn't even remember the tip. Thank you for the tip.
So our tri-tip's ready. Something you want to keep in mind with tri-tip is the grain changes direction halfway or so about through the meat. So you want to take note of which direction the grain runs. And then we're going to cut it at that point and then take a note in the change in direction of the grain so that when you're slicing the tri-tip, depending on where you are, you want to make sure you're slicing against the grain for the softest cut. So here, I see the grain running this way up until about here. So this is where I'm gonna cut it in half, just so we can take a look how that came out actually. All right, so as you can see, the grain runs this way. So on this part, we're gonna make slices in this direction here. So we're gonna cut it this way here.
Looks amazing.
Let's take a taste here. That's amazing. That hardcore carnivore black, very well seasoned, came out very soft, tender, very juicy. Let's try this side here. Wow. Yep. Tastes as good as it looks. I'll get it.
I got it.
Alright, so in summary, we got the tri-tip, we seasoned it, we put it on the Joetisserie. The Kamado Joe is about 350 degrees. We put the meter in, it spun for about 30 minutes, got our final temperature of about 131 degrees, medium rare. And there you have it. Very easy to do with the Joetisserie and the meter probe.
Thanks for joining. You done?
I'm all done.